Leadership Summit is a web based series of paper presentation aiming to reduce the stage fear, improve presentation as well as communication skills, along with an opportunity to learn about the latest updates related to particular topics in depth. So, who are eligible for this?
Students who have registered for IPCC or intermediate course and who have pursuing their articleship training and who have completed their practical training but could not qualify their final examination are eligible to participate in this paper presentation leadership summit. Next question is, how can you participate?
Students who are interested to participate in the Leadership Summit can easily do so by sending a PDF or a Word file containing 1000 to 1200 words along with a 1-minute video briefly describing your topic. What should be the format of entries will be explained by my colleague.
The entry should be in Word format and in PDF format and should not exceed 1200 words. Your entry should also include a 1-minute video presenting the gist of your topic. Where to submit?
Students who want to participate in the paper presentation competition will have to submit a soft copy in PDF format and a 1-minute video on the email ID paperpresentations25@gmail.com. Now, what's the procedure after submission?
After the submission of papers from 18 to 21st June, time will be given to the moderators to evaluate and shortlist the candidates. My next question, when is the final date and through which platform the papers will be presented?
The final date of the competition of Leadership Summit is 26 June to 38 June. The selected participants will go live through YouTube and Facebook. My next question is the number of participants per round.
I will explain you about number of participations in each round of this leadership summit. From all the entries received for the paper presentation, we will be selecting 3 students for each topic. That is 15 students will be selected. Then 5 students will be declared as winner from them. That is 1 student for each topic. Now I request Ahmednagar branch Vikasa chairman Sandeepji Desada to explain the benefits of participating in this leadership summit.
It brings you out of stage of fear and also improves your communication skill. It also provides you an opportunity to learn in detail about a core subject which is a part of curriculum and develop effective presentation skill. So please do participate. All the best.
The second benefit that the students will get over here is winners will be awarded with mementos and all the participants will be rewarded with certificate of participation. So what are you waiting for all? I request all the students to kindly come forward and register for this paper presentation web series, the Leadership Summit. Thank you.